friends, and welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today, we're going to talk about some animals that existed 65 million years ago. I am sure you have heard about the dinosaurs, and I'm certain you have seen them in many films and cartoons featuring dinosaurs. But not everything that is told in these films is correct. So if you don't mind, let's find out what they are really like and how they lived. The first thing we need to understand is that people and dinosaurs never lived together. The dinosaurs lived before human beings existed, and they roamed the earth for approximately 135 million years. That's a really long time. They were the dominating vertebrates. Nowadays, more than 500 different species have been identified, thanks to bones and fossils found. All dinosaurs were oviparous, meaning they reproduced by laying eggs. But there were huge differences between them. Some were very small, while others were absolutely enormous.
Who was the better inventor, Thomas Edison or Nikola Tesla, and why?
The better inventor was hands down Edison. He had so many patents and inventions.
Our best hope for induction and wireless charging is Nikola Tesla, and I hope that'll be the wave of the future.
I'm on Edison's team.
I am on Team Tesla.
Edison rocks!
I'm on Team Nikola Tesla.
Tesla, Edison, I mean, it's a great question. When you look at innovation and you look at competition and you look at rivalries, I think it is that type of competitive spirit that drives us forward.
Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla are two different types of inventors. Edison really was a businessman at heart. You really had to dig into the nuts and bolts of whatever it was you were inventing so that you could make it into a commercial, marketable product. Edison's breakthrough was to conceive of this as not just the light bulb, but as a system.
Nikola Tesla's developed technologies for the transmission of alternating current electricity, which brought electrical power to households. He brought to light wireless communication information, which is part of the foundation for how we communicate on a global basis now today.
I like both Edison and Tesla. I think they were pretty fantastic scientists and inventors.
I suspect because there's controversy, they must be pretty close to equal, and that's exciting.
A lot of people want to know who was the better inventor, Thomas Edison or Nikola Tesla. And I have to say neither one, because they were so different as inventors.
Tesla and Edison, they're just both great inventors in the energy space, and what we're seeing sort of in lighting and electric motors is just another huge wave of innovation. I'd like to toast the rivalry and toast both of them.
Hello, friends. Today, we'll learn about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from the remains of ancient animals and plants, buried deep inside the earth for several years. The three main types of fossil fuels are coal, oil, and natural gas. These are the result of the decomposition of dead animal and plant matter buried deep in the Earth's crust. These fuels are then pumped from underground and used in a number of ways. Oil. Oil is a thick black liquid. It's called petroleum. It's found very deep inside the ground, usually between layers of rock. To get the raw oil out, a large well is dug. The oil is then pumped out of the ground. It is carried in pipelines and large tanker ships. A refinery changes the raw oil into various products like gasoline, diesel fuel, and jet fuel. It's also burned in power plants for electricity production. The oil is burned, which produces gases that turn a turbine to create electricity.